Hi guys, and welcome to the very first part of PowerShell GPT Agent Engineering. If you've followed the walkthroughs, you know the basics. Now we're going to learn how to build truly intelligent agents. But before we can build, we need to understand the tools. So let's start with the built-in features that PowerShell GPT provides right out of the box. Placeholders. So, what's a placeholder? It's a special keyword you can put in your scripts, wrapped in square brackets like agent name. Before your script is executed, PowerShell GPT finds these placeholders and replaces them with live, real-time data from the application. It's the simplest way to make your scripts aware of the application's current state. Let's see them in action. We'll head over to Browser GPT. Let's start with the most straightforward example, agent name. When we execute this simple JavaScript alert containing the agent name placeholder, PowerShell GPT will process the code before it gets to the browser. It will see agent name inside the square brackets, replace it with my agent's actual name, which is computer, and then inject the final script. And there it is. The application seamlessly swapped the placeholder for the real value. This is the fundamental principle of how PowerShell GPT makes your scripts context aware. The browser state placeholder contains the actual state of the browser. It stores the data in JSON format and contains how many tabs there are open, what page is loaded in each tab, along with the tab ID. This is particularly useful as it can be sent to the AI model, making it aware of its browsing environment. This is essential for automated agentic behavior. We covered the model's response placeholder in part 4 of the PowerShell GPT walkthrough series, so I'm not going to go over the output capture modes again. The model's TTS response is stripped of emojis and other odd characters that aren't text-to-speech friendly. The text in this placeholder is what's sent to the LazyPi text-to-speech engine, which leads us nicely onto the default voice placeholder. This will display the voice that is currently the default voice used by LazyPi. It is updated whenever a new voice is selected on the LazyPi's website. And lastly, the LM Studio search URL placeholder. This is used for when models in LM Studio output a URL surrounded by internet tags. I'll link a video in the description that shows exactly how this is utilized for those interested in adding internet search capabilities to their LM Studio models. And that brings us to the end of part 1. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to help spread the word. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss part 2, where we'll be exploring dynamic keyword commands that enable you to inject specific parts of your spoken commands into scripts. Until then, have fun, stay safe.